Hello guys. Um Today I'm gonna help my dad tomorrow with the car. So I guess it's fine. So if you want to see me fix my mom's car with my dad, I guess it's fine. So you better subscribe to me and follow me on TikTok and like the video. So yeah, that's all what I can say. So don't don't forget to follow me to Marcus_gamer. I hope you guys have enjoyed life and and you all will be fine with me. Goodbye.